Can't sleep? Half a teaspoon is enough. Glycine, a multifunctional amino acid for sleep and muscle health. Are you struggling to get a good night's sleep? If so, a small yet powerful supplement might be just what you need: glycine. This simple amino acid has gained popularity for its diverse health benefits, particularly in promoting restful sleep and supporting muscle health. In this article, we will explore how glycine works, its additional benefits, and why it might be a great addition to your supplement routine. Here we go. What is glycine? Glycine is the simplest amino acid, classified as a non-essential amino acid because the human body can synthesize it from other compounds. It comprises a single hydrogen atom as its side chain, which gives it unique properties. Glycine plays a critical role in the biosynthesis of proteins, and it is integral for the formation of collagen, a key structural protein in the body. The role of glycine. Glycine is one of the simplest amino acids, and it plays a crucial role in various physiological functions. It is a non-essential amino acid, meaning that our bodies can produce it, but it can also be acquired through the diet, primarily from proteins found in meat, fish, dairy, and legumes. Promoting better sleep. One of the most well-known benefits of glycine is its ability to improve sleep quality. Studies have shown that taking glycine before bedtime can help lower body temperature and promote feelings of sleepiness, leading to a more restful night. Just half a teaspoon of glycine, typically in powdered form, can be enough to help you drift off more easily. Glycine may also enhance the overall quality of sleep by increasing the amount of time spent in deep, restorative stages of sleep. This is critical for physical and mental recovery, making glycine an excellent option for those experiencing occasional sleep disturbances. Detoxification support. Another benefit of glycine is its role in detoxification. Glycine is an important component of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant found in every cell of the body. Glutathione plays a vital role in neutralizing free radicals and helping to detoxify harmful substances from the liver. By supporting the production of glutathione, glycine aids in the body's natural detoxification processes. Muscle preservation. For those concerned about muscle health, glycine can be a valuable ally. Research suggests that glycine may help prevent muscle wasting by promoting protein synthesis and reducing muscle breakdown. This is particularly beneficial during periods of inactivity, aging, or in people with certain health conditions that can lead to muscle loss. Additionally, glycine may play a role in enhancing recovery after exercise. By supporting muscle repair and growth, it can be an excellent supplement for athletes or anyone looking to maintain their physical strength. Other health benefits. Beyond its effects on sleep and muscle health, glycine has several other potential benefits. 1. Supports metabolism. Glycine is involved in various metabolic processes and may help regulate blood sugar levels. 2. Cognitive function. There is some evidence suggesting that glycine might improve memory and cognitive function, particularly in stressful situations. 3. Stress reduction. Glycine may help mitigate the body's response to stress, promoting a sense of calm and relaxation. 4. Digestive health. Glycine may aid in the production of gastric acid, which is essential for proper digestion. How to use glycine? Glycine supplementation is available in various forms, including powders, capsules, and tablets. The typical dosage ranges from 1 to 5 grams per day, but it is always advisable to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Conclusion. Glycine is a versatile amino acid that offers a wide range of health benefits. From promoting better sleep and aiding detoxification to supporting muscle preservation and enhancing overall well-being, it is a beneficial addition to many health regimens. For those looking to improve their sleep quality and maintain muscle health, incorporating glycine into your routine could be a wise choice. Just remember, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. So, if you find yourself tossing and turning at night, consider giving glycine a try. A small amount might just lead to a big difference in your sleep and overall health. Thank you for watching our material once again. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new videos. Together, we create an amazing community. Thanks for your support.